Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by cutting power. Unplug the Nikai TV from the wall for 60 seconds to clear temporary faults. While it's off, remove all HDMI and USB devices so the set boots clean. This prevents external firmware interference. Next, find the reset pinhole or the combo power plus volume buttons on the TV chassis. You'll need that location to force the hardware reset. Once done, make sure the remote has fresh batteries and that the TV is on a stable surface before proceeding to button actions. You now perform the factory reset using the pinhole or button combo. Press and hold the reset pin or hold power plus volume down for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED blinks or you see an on-screen message. This indicates the bootloader acknowledged the command. When the recovery menu appears, navigate with the physical buttons. Select Factory Reset or Restore Defaults, then confirm. This erases user settings and returns firmware to stock. Once the reset starts, do not unplug the TV or interrupt power. You finish by letting the unit complete its reboot. Initial startup often takes 3 to 7 minutes as services rebuild. Once it boots, walk through the initial setup, select language, reconnect Wi-Fi, run an automatic channel scan, and sign into any smart app so your features return. If the TV freezes, loops, or won't enter recovery, try a USB firmware restore if Nikai provides a package, or contact Nikai support. That single troubleshooting step resolves most persistent firmware failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.